Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Sign into your My account and confirm the phone is on a stable MIUI build because system updates affect services. Next, enable Install Unknown Apps for the browser or file manager you'll use. This lets you install the Google Services package. Then, download the appropriate Google Services APK bundle to internal storage. Do this now so you have all files locally. Once done, we move into installing the framework and dependencies. You will install in sequence. Begin with the Google Framework APK, then Google Play Services, and lastly the Play Store APK. Order matters to avoid crashes. When each installer prompts, grant runtime permissions, allow overlays if asked, and enable auto start so services can run in background. If an installer recommends a reboot, perform it. This ensures system components register correctly. Once those three are installed, give the phone a full restart and prepare to sign into your Google account. You finish by signing into your Google account in the Play Store and letting it update Google Play Services automatically. This finalizes compatibility. Make sure to open Play Store and download a small app to confirm functionality. If you see errors, clear cache and data for both Play Store and Google Play Services, then reboot. This fixes most account or sync issues. If problems persist, reinstall the same packages in the same order or try an alternate Google installer package. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.